Okay. Can everyone see my screen?
Yes, I can.
Okay, good. So we
Yes,
have
yes, yes, we
someone.
can.
So is there anyone else not from the Philippines?
Yes, I'm from India.
Okay, welcome.
Thank you.
Okay, so let's start, guys. The project we have right now is building forest, water, and bridge repair. Okay, so building forest, water, and bridge repair project. So it's a simple project, but make sure to follow the guidelines in order for you to work smoothly in this project, in order also for you to reach the benchmark. The benchmark is 800 buildings per hour. If you're not gonna hit that much, of course, your payout will be smaller. So, one, the forest. All right, put this. Let's put a text color, green. Okay, I can't see properly. Okay, the forest, no need to check, review, do not fix or touch the forest, okay? For the water, let's do this as blue. Okay, for the water, you need to press F3 to choose category mode and then use the tilde key or tilde key to check and fix big errors, if any. If there are any errors in the water, make sure to fix it. You won't be able to fix the water if you have the building in it because it's gonna be blocking the label of the water. Now, for existing, if required, if there are only existing buildings, okay, I think this is color green, work as building update project, quick fix, only fix big error. But since this is gonna be a repair project, so most of the buildings here are gonna be for standard repair. Okay, so for building, which is the red ones, okay, and the bridge, I forgot the color. Let me check for the bridge. Pink. Okay. All right. So for existing bridge, make sure to capture only the big significant bridges. Nothing else. Make sure to choose the bridge category. And for building, I repeat, please follow standard building repair requirement. Clear? Are we clear, guys? So standard requirements, ignore all ambiguous or minor errors. Don't cut residential buildings. So if a single house is cut into pieces or cut into different layers, you have to make sure they are merged. Capture corners precisely. Building shape should be reasonable. And capture buildings that are within the task area with or without the orange marking. Because before we have an orange marking, now there is none. And do not capture a building touching the boundary without an orange marking. So I think this is not available here. So for case study, forest, guys. So once you see the forest, please do not fix it. Clear? Don't touch. Water, capture big errors of water. So if you need to capture the water, you have to make sure to capture the whole thing. Sample here again. The reason why this area is not captured because of the boundary or the mask. Okay. So make sure to capture it properly, guys. For existing, again, if you're working on the existing update project, like we used to do, just make sure to double check, capture any missed, and so on. Okay. Draw new buildings, if any, and delete fake buildings, if any. Okay. Small bridges and docks, no need to capture. It's a waste of time, such as this one. Don't draw. Do not draw this one because it's just a small bridge, and don't draw the dock side or the docks. For big bridges, you just need to capture the part that is above the ground. Clear? You can see based on the shadow which part of the bridge is above the ground. Okay? Clear? So base it on the shadow, guys. Okay, another one. So simple. Capture this one and the water, of course. And for bridges, here you go. There's a lot of overpass here and there, so you have to capture it. A bridge or a flyover, it's still a bridge. Overhead railway is considered a bridge. Again, guys, overhead railway. So if you're from the Philippines, it's called the LRT. So you have to capture the overhead railway. And sample again, overpass or bridges has to be captured. Okay, buildings within boundary should be captured also. Okay. So as you can see in this image, there's a lot of missed buildings. Okay. So you have to capture them. Green line is the boundary. So do not capture buildings. Okay. But for this one, I think it's a standard building repair. So we may just have to capture them. Check the task area. Do not have. Okay. This is not applicable. Clear, guys?
Yeah.
Sir, how do I identify
Clear.
residential buildings? Small buildings, small ones, residential. So here's an example. This is just a residential building. You can see my task on the screen. This is just a residential building. Here. This is just considered a residential. Okay. For this one, I think you need to separate this. But did you see what I just did, guys? So since this is two buildings or two sheds, I have to separate them. The first shed is for the left side and the other shed is for the right side. And same here. But I think, no, this is okay. Press F3 to check. As you can see. So if I press my tilde key, uncheck the mask.shp. Let's just put it on. Press F3. So if you want to switch category from building to water, bridge, and forest, make sure you use the F3. You know the rules for forest, right? What do you do for forest?
Don't touch.
Don't touch. Yes.
Yes, do not fix.
So use the tilde key again. Press F3. See if there are any buildings or houses not captured properly. All good. I can approve. Next. So the same thing here. Tilde key, press F3. So again, guys, just a reminder, this is a regular standard repair project. This is okay. Ignore small errors.